Getting a boost.
Boost?
Boost. Hi guys, welcome back to Clutch Pedal. We are here with the S2000 that we featured a couple of months ago. This car belongs to AliFX off of Instagram. You may have seen him. You may have seen him on my channel being tagged, or on Clutch Pedal's website being tagged as well. We're going to be changing the fuel pump today.
We'll go through each stage with you guys to show you how it's done. What are you planning to do to this? Why are you changing the fuel?
Just getting a boost.
Boost?
Boost. So deep within here, there's the panel for the fuel pump, and we need to get to it. So the hard tops come off, just to make it a bit easier to get to, and yeah.
Yeah, so I think we have to also go in from the inside, so there's not enough leverage in there because there's... Can you put your hand in there, Craig? There's not enough to get the fuel pump, so I think we have to go from the inside as well to get clearance, and then...
I don't want to make my hand look bigger. Shall we get to it?
Yeah, let's do it. Right, panel one. Off.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you very much. You didn't tell me it's going to take more than like 5 minutes.
This is not going to take 5 minutes, it's going to take a lot longer.
Okay.
Sorry, mate.
Fair enough.
The panel is hard to get off. Craig, have you got any space on it?
Just about.
He's got it. He has got it. There's his little hand. Where you give us a wave, Craig?
Hello.
This is hard to get off, but he's done it. Well done, Craig.
Right, so this is where the fuel pump is. See this plate over here? There's a few screws that need to come off, 6 I think. Before we do that, we need to unplug the battery.
There you go. Power supply's off. So now we can play. Head stuck. Ow.
So we need to
Get some rags, I think, yeah?
get some rags to soak up any fuel that might come out when we take the pump out. So we couldn't think of anything better than our old uniform to use.
It came in use finally.
Yeah.
Something useful.
And if anyone doesn't recognise this colour, yes, it is the same as Poundland Green.
It's a boy! Should we have a cigarette? Craig's job is now to put the new pump in.
My job?
You're supposed to put the brains.
No, I am the brains, but like, I don't know.
So the module that we're changing is inside. It's going to be replaced with a heavier fuel flow, which we have here, with the quantum fuel system. We're going to have to replace that with that, so let's get it going. The modules must be connected here, there's a clip here. So we released that. That should connect to the top on here.
Yep.
And we should be good to go. It's a tight fit. And that to go in there.
Yeah.
Original.
Yep. I was thinking that.
It doesn't help when the weather drops, does it, Craig? It was quite warm recently, and then stopped to 3 Celsius, 4 Celsius now, isn't it? I might even just been a little girl and really cold.
I'm quite warm.
It's because you're behind a heater. Show the heater why you're warm.
Oh yeah.
So, nothing wrong happened since.
No, nothing wrong at all. The clamp never
Flew
shot
off.
halfway across the room and then bounced off. Bounced off the generator. And then bounced off a rim. And then bounced off something else.
Yeah, and you know, not at one point do you think we're going to lose it.
No. Nothing like that.
The only problem is, if that was on camera, that was gold. What do you reckon? In? Because we don't want to put it in and they get no power. Except from pain in fitting this in. Especially if you see the positions we're sitting in.
Do you remember that Addams Family movie where they've just got a hand that moves by itself? I can't remember what it's called. Is it called Thing?
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah, well, Ali's hand kind of looks like that because you can't see anything outside of him.
Yeah. My head is probably an inch smaller because it's got squashed.
Doesn't look it.
Huh?
It's small.
I'm still lightheaded because I've not got blood to my head, so I'm like, whoa. You missed that.
He's been hanging upside down for so long now he's got light-headed and now he can't walk properly.
Wait, stop it. Grab it. I'm back now, I'm back. Craig is, if you guys don't know Craig Peterson is the biggest and the oldest child you will ever find.
So, moment of truth, A's about to connect up the battery and we're going to prime the pump.
That sounded good.
That sounded good.